Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Monday, March the 20th, and this is a quick hit on the indexes. Starting off with the Dow. So, last night I was saying that the overall layout of the indicators looked bearish, but that I did not want to count out the bulls yet. So it's just very, it's just very difficult, especially after having a downtick corrective move complete, or close to complete, that you just wanted to say, oh, it's all over and we're going down. So today the Dow up almost 56 points, and that's what I was concerned about, at least in part. A very nice showing by the bulls. We've been noting the 14-day RSI moving average has been in ascent, and you can see now that it's almost finished with its move up. So it is very, very close to the 80, and yeah, and it's making the CCI, the RSI, and the fast stochastic turn, which is interesting. You'll also notice the MACD is pulling away from its trigger line, although the MACD histogram is still in descent. So yeah, overall not bad. It was very nice that today was essentially everything in one direction. So that's easier than yesterday with the up and the down, and it's just a big mess. So not bad, and I just want this move up to finish out so that we can have our dump out. And this formation here, fantastic for the dump out. Just another, I don't know, day or two. I don't even know if we will reach a new high or not. I mean, today's made a new high intraday, and I've been saying consistently for the last few days that I wanted to see a new high. So, anyways, it looks fantastic, in my opinion. It's doing what it should be doing. Going on to SPX, and yes, this is more of the same. Although we did not get our, new high, it's very close. I think it was, 5 or 6 points away from it during the day. This one I'm not sure if it will get it or not. We got it on the Dow. That might be enough, but I do like this move, and I think that we are in a really good spot. The Dow, of course, is leading SPX. If the Dow craps out, then SPX, of course, is finished. And we already have the nice negative divergence. I think that the natural place for this to go is the long-term moving average bar, which is 1530. So I'm just so glad for this. We had so many bears, so many shorts the last couple of days. They needed to be, beaten up, and get them out of their positions and have everyone go long, so that we could actually have a good decline. So anyways, I'm pretty darn happy with this. It might go up a little bit more, but I'm really liking this. I think this is about finished. Going on to the VIX. This one is this one truly has to be disappointing for anyone who was in the VIX. I mean, I loved it because I was short the VIX through VXX, but the dump out here was, pretty darn amazing. It completely lost all of its strength that it had. It was, totally weak throughout the day. The only good thing about it is it closed above the lower price consensus level. Great. It did make a new blip on the heat map for a bottoming area. Well, that's good too, even though it's already lost its really good position. And beyond that, what do we have? Well, it doesn't look that good. We have a gap right here. Maybe the gap could fill before it goes up. The 14-day RSI moving average is pointing down. I mean, after such a nasty hit down, sure, of course it is. That reverse of course. But we have disagreement in the stochastics. We are going down on the CCI, the RSI, MACD, and the MACD histogram are going sideways. So it's not over for the VIX bulls. Certainly they got punched in the face today. But yeah, they're not done. This candle is not bad. Just getting thrown out of the long-term moving average bar and being able to regroup right underneath it. It could have another shot at it, which is not to say that it's going to exceed this high here. I actually think that it would not. But so I guess stranger things have happened. So we'll have to see. This one just is a little bit more difficult than the Dow and SPX. Dow and SPX, can easily say that they will be declining very soon. You could, of course, say that this one will have to rise along with it, but we're going to have some of this change to agree with that, and we just don't see it at this moment. Going on to TNA, which had a really nice day. I mean, up almost 3%. That was way better than the Dow or SPX. Did not make a new recent high though, not intraday, not anything, but it did close at the very highs of the day. So yeah, I think that this is far better than the Dow or SPX, which actually is a good thing for the bulls. Now, the problem with this is we're getting back to that magical 90 area. We're only 50 cents away. So already the warning bells should be going off. For TNA to get above 90, approach 90, that's just an easy way to know that this thing is going to fall. And I said in previous videos, 92 and 94 would just be absolutely a dream short, in my opinion. But of course, we're a little bit shy of that at the moment. But just the moral of the story: you get to 90, you should be licking your lips and getting ready to push the button, and the moment that you see sustainable weakness, bring this one down, because it will go down. You can see here in the MACD histogram, we can easily have another set of negative divergence here. We already have a generous helping of it already. The RSI is very high. The CCI is about to get massively high once again. The stochastics want to go down. The 14-day RSI moving average, yes, it has a little bit of room, but this little position, this little hook-looking thing, it never lasts long in this formation. So, or I shouldn't say always. Nothing is always, but atypically, I would like to say 8 times out of 10, this looking thing right here is not good. So give it a day, maybe 2 days. Heck, maybe we'll wake up to a gap down, and it's so darn close. It's so darn close. And who's going to be shorting here? Most of the people. It did its bubble corrective move. It's going back up. The shorts have been clobbered. It's about to make new highs, and everyone's going to be long. Oh, everything's going to be fine. Greece is going to be fine. Cyprus is going to be fine. Everything's going to be fine. And then, anyways, there's my thesis for the evening. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you very much.